Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Irúnmọs, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. The Hidden Moon. There was once a village that worshipped the moon, for La Luna had taught them about agriculture, as well as many other important tasks. The moon had a younger brother who was very mischievous, and she spoiled him a great deal. One day, the child went to play in her room, where she kept beautiful fabrics, and he left everything so ruined that she retreated into a cave in the sky, and no one saw her again. The nights became completely dark. The sailors could no longer navigate, the farmers lost their crops, and chaos spread throughout the land. The Irúnmọ went to consult with Òrúnmìlà through divination. They praised her with a large mirror placed in front of the cave, a beautiful necklace made of pearls, and 16 hens. When she heard the joyous commotion, Algarabia, she peeked out from the cave door. Upon seeing her reflection, she was so surprised that she came out of the cave and once again spread herself across the sky.